Hey everyone, today we are going to look at the panel of official WhatsApp API. Okay, so we also have a feature of green tick. So today I'll be telling you how to use the panel, okay, as well as convert, send messages, plus all the things which are related to the panel. First of all, on dashboard, we have all these things that how many subscriber contacts are there, how many ads are there, sent, delivered, read. Okay, so in setup we will talk about how to set up in a different video. Okay, but I'll be telling you how to use the panel. First of all, what you have to do, you have to connect your number. Here you have to connect your number in the official API panel. So what I was telling you, you have to upload your contacts. Okay, you have to upload. You can import as well as export the contacts. You can import it one by one. If you want to import the file, okay, you can use the Excel feature. You can download the sample, and then after downloading this sample, okay, after downloading this sample, we can import these numbers here. We can copy paste the number and then we can re-import here. Okay, like that. I have already imported a number. Campaigns. Okay, the how we can set the campaigns. Before setting the campaign, we have to see, these are the templates. We have to get these templates approved by Google, approved by WhatsApp. Whenever we upload a template here, okay, like this, we our option will show like the template name, demo English, template category, we are sending marketing or utility message, which message we are sending. Okay, header, if you want to use header, or we can add media also. Okay, for now we are just using text. We can type in our message here, and like, hi, how are you, or WhatsApp API Gen 1. Okay, after that it is our footer part. Button, if you want to select call to action button, then we can select cell phone numbers. Okay, add new button, we can add website option. Because this is an official API panel, our message will look like this. Our message will look like this. See, our message will look like this. Okay, we can send any text here. After approval, after the template approval, we'll go in campaigns. Okay, create a new campaign. Campaign name. Okay, this is our template. A template which is approved last time by WhatsApp. We can get a new template approval also. This is our number. Campaign owner's name, Master Code. It's our campaign. It's our company name. Or Web Interconnect. Web Interconnect is our company name. Okay. Web Interconnect is a company, and now we are sending all to all contacts, which are the contacts we have selected. We can select group wise also. If we have created any group, you can create a contact group separately. All contacts we are sending, I have imported one contact. After that, we can click on next, 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 and see, our campaign will go like this. Our campaign will go like this. After next, 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 we can do send a text message, mobile number with country code, like that. And after clicking on send, our message will get delivered. Okay, this is the message sending process. This is our automation process. Okay, what you can do, you can send the regular greeting messages. Okay, you can keyword based message. This is a chatbot. This is chatbot. See, animal keyword based authentication, like you are getting messages from different brands and all. Name, when this happens, send text message. Whenever we receive hi, or whenever we receive uh, hello services, like that we can create a chatbot. Okay, we can save it and see how our message will go, whatever message we type here. In automation we will get this birthday, anniversary wishes, festival discount, and reminders. Okay, you have heard about drip marketing and all. It will also work as a CRM. Okay, it will send reminder messages like payment notifications and all, abandoned cart and all, like that. Okay, template setup. What's the business status? See, this is the part where we can do multiple of the things. See, our company status is approved, company name, business verification. Okay, after that, WhatsApp marketing, payment direct to Facebook. Okay, we can set the payment here. WhatsApp business manager we can access directly from here. Create WhatsApp templates, directly WhatsApp templates we can create here. Billing and invoice, WhatsApp direct support. Okay, we can do all these things. We can even apply for a green tick. If you want to apply for a green tick, we can even apply for a green tick. And if WhatsApp allows us to get a green tick after verification, okay, we'll be able to get a green tick directly. So if you have any doubt regarding this, you can ask me. And so what are the documents required for getting an API? You should have a website. Okay. After getting a website, you should have a few documents about your company, like if you have GST, MSME certificate, MSME, anything you can give like that, which Facebook allows us to have a verification with it. Okay, a website is needed. After website, your company documents are needed, tax documents. If in some cases utility bills are also required, like electricity bill and all, and your location details, like what is the location in which you are working. After that, WhatsApp will verify it. And for getting the green tick, there is a different process. Okay, we will guide you through it. For getting a green tick, if you have any requirement for that, just message us.